I get asked a lot, how do I begin? How will I know when I'm ready? And how we begin to make changes and how we're ready to make changes is different for all of us. It's also something that I think that all of these R's that we're talking about, they all bring us to this place of readiness and resolve. And they all help us answer the question of how do we begin? How do we make changes? How do we feel a sense of readiness? I think that you cannot come to a decision about whether or not you want to leave someone that you've been married to for a long time, whether or not you want to get married and have a prenuptial agreement, whether or not you want to go to marriage counseling and work on your marriage. You can't make any of these decisions or big relationship decisions or any big life decisions without doing the work that gets you to readiness. And I think that readiness and resolve is something that requires, aside from access to our higher thinking and our higher selves and our personal truths, it also requires our access to our intuition, our deep personal truth. And I think we sublimate that a lot. I have a lot of clients who come to me who say, I kind of knew, I kind of had a feeling a long time ago. There was something that happened kind of at the beginning, or there was some warning sign or some red flag, but I shoved it way down and I didn't think about it for a long time because I really just love this person, or I really wanted to be married, or I really wanted my children to grow up in a certain way or with their family intact. And so I think that we sometimes sublimate our intuition for a long time. And part of these R's that we're going through is to help you reconnect with that part of yourself that has a deep knowing, that kind of knows when you meet somebody and you have that kind of icky feeling like this might not be good. Like there's something about this person that's like not right. Or when you're in a situation that's just not safe and you realize that there's something deeply not safe. The situations that I see also deal with a lot of what we call covert abuse and coercive control. And those situations involve a lot of gaslighting and a lot of invalidating. And because of it, people second guess their intuition. They second guess their feelings. They think that they don't know, that what they feel is not really true. And so some of the things that we're talking about today, the resourcing and the resonance, it's a way to step out of the fog of the abuse. It's a way to step out of the fog of trauma because it creates a fog all around you. You feel like you maybe don't know your feelings. And it allows you to access that deep intuition again and that deep knowing that we all kind of have.